welcome you to Sunmarke School. I hope you've had a wonderful winter break. But before you start at Sunmarke School, I just thought I'll let you know about the rules that we need to follow when we're in school. The first rule that we need to follow is that we always have to have our mask on. We can only take our mask off to eat and drink. The second rule that we need to follow is we always need to be seated at our desks. You are going to have a fixed place in the classroom that you visited a few weeks earlier. You will not move around from that fixed place unless you are given permission by your teachers. The third rule that we're going to follow is that we're always going to maintain social distancing. What does this mean? This means that if you put your hand out in front of you, you should not be able to touch the person that's in front of you. You always need to make sure that you've got that much distance between you and another person stood in front of you or beside you. So the three rules are: always have a mask on, always remain in your seat, and make sure you're maintaining social distancing. And the fourth rule, which is not specific to school, something that we need to do all the time, is make sure we're washing our hands properly. We need to make sure we're washing our hands for at least 20 seconds, especially before and after we eat, as well as after we've finished using the toilet. When you come to Sunmarke School, you will be in the school uniform. Here are the things that you will need to carry with you always. You need to have your own stationery. This includes pencils, pens, coloured pencils, a rubber, sharpener, ruler, and any other stationery that you may require, like a glue stick as well. Second thing that you need to carry is your iPad. Make sure it is always fully charged before you come to school. The third thing that you need to carry is your spare mask. You need to be wearing a mask, but always make sure you have one extra mask in your backpack. The fourth thing that you need to remember to carry is extra water. There are no water fountains in school anymore, so you will need to bring your own water. Some students have chosen to bring 2 bottles of water because it is not possible to refill your bottle once it is finished.
Here's what you're going to be doing at Sunmarke School on Sunday the 3rd of January. First, you'll arrive in school at 11 in the morning and you'll meet Mr. Edwards and Miss Smithy at reception. You'll then take a short tour of the school and get all the apps that you need on your iPad. It will then be time for science with Miss Smithy. After science, it is lunchtime. After lunch, you're going to be doing some Islamic with Miss Safa and then some Arabic with Miss Safa. After you finish Arabic, it is home time where you'll meet Mum and Dad.
Elias, I'm so excited to see you on the 3rd of January at 11 o'clock. Bye! Have a lovely last few days of the break.